welcome to my channel. We have a pumpkin. And we're gonna put it somewhere in the backyard. One here and one and two at the west, two at the entrance. What are you doing? There are a ton of seeds inside a single pumpkin. If there's 100 seeds in there, then you can make a farm adding 100 pumpkins to it. Well, last time you just had 100. Now you have 200 in your farm. You gotta prepare them quick.
What?
You gotta prepare your pumpkin
For?
Halloween. The life cycle of pumpkins. Yeah, they are grown by pumpkin seed. To a sprout, and also has a lot of vines around them.
Okay.
Sorry about that distraction. Then it turns into a flower, a green pumpkin, then an orange pumpkin. And it looks like this. Some are big and some are small. Also, I forgot to tell that they have different sizes and shapes.
Oh, okay.
And there's also a little weapon for the world's largest pumpkin. No, I meant most heaviest. We're gonna see if the pumpkin sinks. I don't know.
What do you think? It will sink or float?
Really, if the water's high enough, maybe sink.
Sink.
Our pumpkin is really big.
The big. Sink? Okay.
I mean, float. The water's not deep enough. Oh, this is gonna float right now. Finally, it is floating. More water to make it look like a butter effect. There we go. I told you, it depends on the water. It's floating. It's floating. I can put my entire arm through it.
It's floating.
If the water is high enough, then the pumpkin can be lifted by the water. But it doesn't depend on the pumpkin.
It's floating.
Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Yay! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I, J, O, D, A, S, C, W, X, Y, Z.
Rambut. Oh.
Maybe you look like Daddy. Why not? You look like Daddy.
No, like?
You look like Mommy.
Okay, I'm not gonna carve it.
Do you look like Mommy? You look like Daddy. Why not?
Because he's a boy.
It's not floating to me.
You cannot enjoy it.
Obviously, I make my favorite.
Which one is your favorite?
This one. Cat one.
Okay.
My face is a cat.
Your favorite is this one. And Heather's that one.
No.
Heather, say cheese! Cheese! Cheese!
Cheese. Like it's a toy. Why is this not a picture?
Cheese!
That said boo. Say
Boo.
boo. Boo. Boo. I didn't think I'll do it. Boo. Boo. I like it when she says boo. Boo. Yeah, when I cut it, it's like star or hexagonal.
Peg?
The shape when you cut it looks like a hexagon or a star.
Oh, okay.
A hexagon.
How many sides?
Because pentagon or hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6? Looking like a normal pumpkin.
What is yours, Hailey?
Meow. Meow.
Heather's. Let's cook the pumpkin seeds.
Oh! How am I going to eat them? I never ate pumpkin seeds.
Oh, yes!
delicious.
Bakit sunog ganyan?
May paprika yan.
Kaya pala.
Hot, hot. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Okay, I'm gonna try it. But it's hot.
Crunchy.
How is it?
Good.
Good? How's the taste?
So.
You wanna try to open?
Sarap. More?
More?
Thank you for watching. Got a couple of my nose. Not bad.
It's not this. The fish that we are cooking.
No.
Hindi, ito ba?